Hey y'all, Nathaniel Buckshot here. Well, just want to let you know that this is actually last week's video. I tried to post it, but I couldn't due to internet issues and other stuff, and work got in the way, and then I having problems with the technology. But yeah, here it is, and I hope y'all enjoy. Sorry for the late notice, but yeah, enjoy. Hey y'all, it's Nathaniel Buckshot from 1234 Toys TV. And in this episode, well, looks like it's time to go fishing. And yeah, it just started to rain. You're in for a good show. Let it begin. I'm Nathaniel Buckshot, and you're watching 1234 Outdoors TV. There it is, he's on there. Little yellow perch. Nice perch right there, yellow perch. It's a fish for the day. Ploppity ploppity. Perchy. A fish in the rain. Sunfish. Little red breast sunfish, I think it is. Red breast sunfish. A lot of us have red breasts. Yeah, this is a red breast sunfish. I cannot talk today, right? But it is what it is. Yeah. Nice little. Little guy. Little smaller sunfish here. Who says you can't catch fish in the rain? You ever said that? Who says you can't fish in the rain and catch them? Don't know what they're talking about. Alright y'all, that's the end of the video there, and you saw us catch fish in the rain, and who says you can't catch fish in the rain? They weren't very big ones, but still, we catch big ones here and there. Yeah. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe to 1234 Toys TV for more videos and new videos almost every Friday. Thank you. See you later. Bye.